7 plus 7 divided 7 plus 7 times 7 minus 7. Can you solve this? Pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section. Now many will do this. They will add this 7 plus 7, this 7 plus 7 and subtract this 7 minus 7, and then they will do division and multiplication. In that way, what will be the answer? 7 plus 7 is 14, then divided by 7 plus 7 is 14, then times 7 minus 7 is 0. Now, if you do multiplication first, if you follow PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, then you will do multiplication first. So, 14 times 0 will be 14 and 14 divided by 0 will be 0. So, you see in that case you are getting 0 as the answer, but we cannot selectively follow PEMDAS. We can solve this using the order of operation using PEMDAS. So, first we will solve parenthesis. There is no parenthesis. So, cross the parenthesis, exponent, no exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. We have multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So this order says we have to do multiplication first. But remember that this multiplication, division, they are reciprocal actions. We cannot solve them just like this as written in this order, because reciprocal action means they have equal priority. How they are reciprocal action? You see, when you divide a number by a number, 4 divided by 2, it is actually 4 multiplied to 1 upon 2. So division is reciprocal of multiplication. The number gets inverted, 2 becomes 1 upon 2. So this is called reciprocal action. Therefore, we give them equal priority and we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. And remember that this left to right choice is between multiplication division. Whenever there is choice between addition and division, division will have the priority. Subtraction or division, division will have priority. Same goes for subtraction and multiplication, or addition or multiplication. Multiplication will always have priority over addition and subtraction. Therefore, in this question, we will not see whether left to right we have addition first, because for addition and division have the priority. Therefore, it's like this, write 7 as it is, plus, will not solve the plus here. Then 7 divided by 7, this we will have to do. So 7 divided by 7 is 1, then plus, then this multiplication we will have to do, because again before doing addition we have to do the multiplication. So it's multiplication, 7 times 7 is 49, then minus 7. Now between addition and subtraction, you can also follow the left to right rule starting from here. Although it doesn't make any difference, you can do subtraction first or addition first, answer will be same. So 7 plus 1 is 8. We can subtract here 8 minus 7, or we can subtract 49 minus 7. 7 will be subtracted because it has a negative sign in front of it. So answer will be 8 plus 49 is 57. Then minus 7, it's equal to 50. So you see, 0 is not the correct answer. 50 is the correct answer. How did you solve it and what's your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.